Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to show you folks the Boston Whalers 2019-15 Montauk. The new redesign is absolutely spectacular. Let's start with the power on the back. It's the Mercury, 60 horsepower, ton of power for a 15-foot boat. Pops you right onto plane. You get a good top end on it. It's set up very well for fishing. We've got rod holders. We've got a very large live well right here. A bait bucket over here. A couple more rod holders. You got a reversible leaning post on the seat. And then also, when I flip it back this way, plenty of room for a good sized GPS. We've got storage in here. We also have a full helm cover, full console cover, keep it all protected. Low profile rails on both sides. A cooler combination cooler seat, more rod holders, drink holders, and then you also have an anchor locker well right there. So this boat is designed to go out and fish. There's the backwater. It's fantastic. You can take it out into the Gulf as well. So if you get any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.